Welcome to Between Two Flames. Those are the flames. So today I'm here with a professor of professor of chemistry. I'm here with a professor of chemistry, Rohan Pandit. So tell me, Professor Pandit, what is it like to have the most mundane title in history?
I don't know, Pubert. What is it like to have your mom as the only viewer of the show?
Okay, so I heard you're working on some new things in the lab.
Well, yeah, actually, we've been researching chemiluminescence and bioluminescence recently. I really feel like with the breakthrough that we've had in the labs...
Yeah, that sounds great. So what are those things?
Well, as I was saying before, luminescence is the emission of light by a substance not resulted in heat. Chemiluminescence is basically when the light is created through a chemical reaction, and not through heat. One very common example is probably elemental white phosphorus oxidizing in moist air. So this produces a bright green glow. There is no heat instead. Instead, this is classified as chemiluminescence because there is no heat released. Basically, how it is released is that the two reactants, phosphorus and moist air, from an excited ground state.
Yeah, I got a. You know what? I got a 20 out of 20 on my lab once.
That's great. Did you win the Nobel Prize?
Listen, this is a professional interview. We try to refrain from those types of answers.
Is that why you're wearing cargo shorts?
Okay, we're done. We're done here. Stop the recording. It's over. We're done.
Bioluminescence, as I was saying before, is light produced by a chemical reaction within a living organism. It's a type of chemiluminescence. Bioluminescence is a cold light, which means that less than 20% of the light generates a thermal radiation or heat. Most bioluminescent organisms are found in the ocean. Some bioluminescent organisms that we know of, probably we got fish, bacteria, and jellyfish. Sometimes bioluminescent organisms aren't inherently bioluminescent, but instead they depend on bioluminescent bacteria, and the bacteria helps them to glow. Bioluminescent organisms on land probably are, fungi, and also fireflies.
Wow. Mushrooms that glow. These are the types of things you can expect to learn on Between Two Flames.
Well, why don't you tell me what you've learned, Pubert?
Well, when luminol reacts with hydrogen peroxide in a glow stick, it creates 3 amino phthalate in a vibronic excited state. In this state, the product is decaying to a lower energy level. As it decays, it releases light. That's how glow sticks work.
You knew all of that.
Yep, I knew that.
So what's up with the cards here?
You know what? Listen. This is my show. I'm 40. I don't need this. We're done here. We're done.